like hers better, believe me.
Hey everyone, it's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at CES and I want to show you a must-have product. You know we only show you the bleeding edge in the industry. This product is a must-have. Whether you're at a certain age or not, you will be at that certain age. And I'm like, Ann, tell us about it a little bit.
Okay, the Attain is a new device that will be available soon direct to the consumers that treats any bladder leakage that's related to stress incontinence, which is your laugh, cough, sneeze, with something heavy leakage, in addition to any overactive bladder or urgency symptoms where you feel you gotta go to the bathroom, have to go now. It solves it at the source of the problem, which is a muscle level. So what this device will do will strengthen the muscles of the pelvic floor to give you better bladder control and stop stress incontinence, and it also can calm the muscles surrounding the bladder to stop overactive bladder or urgency symptoms. The device, it's used 10 minutes a day, 6 days a week in the comfort of your own home, and once your symptoms are gone, you simply use it once or twice a week to maintain results. Reason being is pelvic floor muscles are skeletal muscles. They're just like biceps and triceps, in which you need to maintain them. So once or twice a week in the comfort of your home, easily used, since the pelvic floor...
Men and women.
Pelvic floor muscles are located in the pelvis, so in women we do insert the product vaginally to get right next to those pelvic floor muscles, and in men it is inserted rectally. So simply, at home, you would insert the device appropriately. You just power the device on, and we'll follow visual cues, so it's a very simple to use medical device. You inflate the device to comfortably snug. What that does with muscle stimulation, most important is that we have inflation. We are the only company that has an inflatable probe for muscle stimulation delivery.
Which is controllable rather than, you see what you get.
Exactly, and this ensures that you have excellent contact with the vaginal or rectal wall, so we have comfortable delivery of muscle stimulation. Once you have it inserted, you control stimulation. Go to level 1, wait a few seconds. I don't feel anything at level 1. Go to another level 2. Go to 3. What you're looking for is a tightening of your muscles around the probe, somewhat of an upward and inward tug, and a little relaxation. That is strengthening pelvic floor muscles better and more efficiently than you can do on your own. More than half of women especially do not do Kegel exercises properly, and they're wasting their time. This also gives them the mind-muscle connection of knowing this is what a real effective muscle contraction feels like without using any ancillary muscles. After the 7 minutes of strengthening the pelvic floor muscles, it also sends a calming signal to the muscles surrounding the bladder, in which it will calm that and resolve urgency and overactive bladder symptoms. After the 7 minutes of stim, we'll move to a biofeedback program. Very similar to what people do when they go to a pelvic floor physical therapist, but now we can do it in the privacy and comfort of our own home.
And what about men with fecal?
And men with fecal. So what they would do then is relax, and then we're going to squeeze. You want to raise the bars, maintain, and then we need to have appropriate relaxation phases. So just like a therapist would do from the privacy of your own home. With men, it solves bladder leakage and fecal incontinence also.
Outstanding. Ann just blew us away with an outstanding demo and a nurse. You get 2 in 1. You get it.
And what's really truly amazing is this product works so well. There are not really any medical devices that I know of that come with a guarantee. So if you use this product 10 minutes a day, 6 days a week for 90 days, and you are not impressed with the results you're seeing, you return the device to us, we check to make sure it was used 90 times, and we will refund your money.
How can you beat that? And not only that, this may replace your husband, because usually they're a pain in the ass after 5 years of marriage. Thank you so much. Outstanding product, best to CES. In my words, for bleeding edge technology, it's a must-have. Thank you, and I'll send it back to you in the studio, Eileen. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network.